Hello traders, welcome to daily recap of day 14. We are recording this with a little bit delay, but we wanted to be consistent and to share all days video trading. We had only one day missed till now, and as I didn't had a record of the stock selection and the trade itself, I can show you what was the pre-market list and the trading plan and execution um, with the following video. So we have first, let me share the video recorded at the beginning of the trading day. It was around 2 minutes before the bell. We had this as a pre-market selection: NBY, BU, RU, WLGS, MGIH, and VCIG. We had all these stocks, and as NBY, we had, as you can see, on not only pre-market high resistance line, but also we had a couple of others on a higher time frame charts resistance line. The stock itself fade out with very low volume uh, from 9 to 9:13, and our entry point as a trading point, we had 219 with tight stop loss of 10 cents and to target 310. So we are looking to break the pre-market high. That was the trading point for NBU. And as you can see here, the market was about to open and it was very tight to prepare our plan for all of the stocks. So this is for BU, RU. The plan for it was to break a VWAP with confirmation to retest. So we are looking for level 2 and confirmation on the volume to retest the pre-market high, which was 225. That was our second leading upper. On VCIG. Uh, we had, as you saw, we had target price and wall for WLGS. We wanted to have break of pre-market high to target price to be 3, which was the pre-market high with stop loss of 10 cents. That was the plan for it. And let me show you what basically happened on that day. So that was the that was the trade history of the day. We closed the day, as you can see, with good. They realized amount. We needed this in order to regain after the loss on Tuesday that we had. So our first trade was 6 minutes after the bell on BURU. Let me open the chart itself. I take several screenshots. As I said, didn't have video on it. So this is 9:36. I take on using VWAP as a support line. We had few candles above it, so on 1 minute pullback, use VWAP as a support line, jump on it, and as you can see in the next candle we had flush. It was for seconds, so that was our first trade that finished not successfully at all. The second was on AT&T. Let me open as well the chart for it. This happened a couple of weeks later, around 8:40 to 8:43. The stock itself jumped good. We had good news on it. Let me see. It was not on our scanner for the day, but let me share which stock we had this day on our scanner: MGIH, VCIG, NBY, WLGS, and BURU. You already saw the trading plan here. I just wanted to show you what was about the key statistic. About the volume size on VCIG was a little bit on the upper side, and we had a recent IPO for two of the companies, or new products and new patent, which was um, good news for the sector itself in health technology and electronic technology. So that was the statistic on it. As I said, AT&T was on our momentum scanners at that moment. It's after the bell, several minutes, we had strong bullish side. We take half the day A13. So then we had a huge pullback across the 9 EMA. So on the second candle, when we had regain after $18, we take a long. Then we had second entry. We take long 813. Then we had another one on 1820, but we didn't have the resolution. So here we take small win on 818 because the average price was below that. So that was our second trade for the day. The third one was on WISH. We had this company also on our momentum scanners. Basically, all stocks that were on pre-market scanners was fader after the bell. So we look into the momentum scanner. WISH is the screenshot from the trades was here. So again, we have uh, good start for small account for a small cap stock. We had correction on the long side. Then we have a retest on a 9 EMA, broke it for a couple of minutes, and then when broke it again on the long side, we take on 200 shares on 979, and then we increase the share size, double another 200 shares on 997 with average price on 980. You can see we had a resolution of it, and our sell position was on 985. So I think here we take a small win again, or small loss. In general, a good trade, but our scaling was not well executed. Our second order was with too high price to on a moment when the stock was too extended, and the stock start fading, and we didn't take expected profit. So that was our trade on WASH. Then we had another one on it on this area, 200 shares on 1012, 1015. So average price 1013. Take a loss of 8 cents for 400 shares. Let me see if I have it on the same scan. Yes, it's the same. So the first trace was long and then self. Then we take again correction on the long side. Here is the first entry. Increase the entry and then take small loss on this second trade on WASH. And we have also MGRX. This day we traded a lot, so we finished the day positive, but we burn out a lot of commissions. So that's the lesson learned. Yes, we have scaling, but also with from one side you can, it's a little bit more risky. From other side, you maximize your good trades, but also you have to be mindful about the commission that you're paying. In that case, the next trade was on MGRX. This is around 10 o'clock, so 30 minutes after the bell. We have two position of buying on 253 and 257, and we sell half of the position. So here you can see again pullback on 9 EMA. We take order. So we saw this beautiful picture before that. Here we had a little bit um, break of 9 EMA. It was not well respected, but we had, I think this is our next moving average of 20 moving average. So that was our stop loss for this. And here we take 2 times per 200 shares on the long side, sell half. Then we had some kind of pullback, huge big candle, take another 200 shares of 1 minute to make new high, and then uh, on three different price we take our profit. What are the price here that we take? So 253, 200 shares, 257, 200 shares. Then we sell half of our position for 10 cents win, and uh, this is 267. So this is our half position. Then we again increase to 400 shares with 260. I cannot tell you what is the average here at that moment. Another 200 shares buy. So this is our third trade. This is our fourth trade for 200s. And then we have sell on 300 shares on 279. And basically that was our uh, best profit for the day. So here you can see we traded 3 stocks as per our rules, but we had 4 trades, and 3 of them was with small loss. We tried to minimize the loss as lessons learned from this week. And our last trade of MGRX, as you can see here, we have in total 1000 shares. We take our good win that give us to close the day with uh, this amount. So that was everything for this day recap. Hope you find something useful for you, and if you have any questions you can put them under the video and we can reply to them in our next video. So thanks for joining and take care.